Whoa! I know, right? You couldn't keep your eyes off it. Neither could I. Hello, boys and girls. Welcome to the Maltina Nourishment Tour, Professor M's Lab series, where we learn about nourishment using fun science experiments with items you have at home. I'm Professor M, and these are my lab partners,
Vicky
and
Josh.
So who is going to tell us about today's experiment?
Bubbly lava.
Oh, what materials are we going to need?
Oil, water, food coloring, and one effervescent tablet.
That tablet is going to do all the work today. Watch out. Let's go!
Whoa! Maltina!
In our beaker, we've got 100 ml of water. What we're going to do first is put in 4 drops of food coloring. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, we're going to pour in 200 ml of oil. Nice. So pretty. So what's happened now is the oil is floating on top of the water. And that is because oil is lighter, less dense than water. Now let's get to the exciting parts. Are we ready?
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yes.
It's time to drop in the tablets. 1, 2, 3. Whoa! I know, right? You couldn't keep your eyes off it. Neither could I. Pretty cool, right?
And Maltina has vitamin C.
Yes! Maltina contains vitamin C, which means that every sip of Maltina helps to protect your immunity and keep you healthy. Science is fun when you try it yourself. You learn, you explore, while sharing happy moments with everyone. Try it at home. Tag Maltina. We would love to see your experiment.
Maltina!